Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. Today I'm going to bring you along in the kitchen while I make this FRITO pie casserole. And this is for the Marching In with Casseroles 2025 collaboration being hosted by Greg's Kitchen. Now there's lots of great content creators. I'll put information down in the description box below. But look at all of these great prizes also. A 9x13 cast iron casserole pan, a casserole slow cooker, an enameled Dutch oven, double casserole carrier, 2 aluminum pan casserole carriers, and cookbooks. That's just to name a few of the things. All the information is down below, so go check that out. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, I've got 2 pounds of hamburger meat, about 3/4 of an onion chopped, and 1 large red bell pepper chopped. And to this, I'm going to add 2 cans of this stout beef chili. That'll give me all the seasonings that I need. Though I did season this up a little bit with some of this Creole seasoning and just some pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. So let me get these cans added and I'll be back with you. All right, now the next 2 things I'll be adding is Southwestern tomatoes with green chilies, and I'm also going to add in a can of salsa ranchera, which is kind of like a tomato sauce, but it's a ranchera sauce, and it's like a darker brown because it's made with different chilies and stuff. Very good to add to any chili mix. I'm going to get this all mixed up, and now on to the base layer. All right, this is rice, white rice, that I cooked in my Instant Pot with beef broth. I seasoned it up with some of that Creole seasoning. But otherwise, that's all that I have in here. And I'm going to go ahead and layer the chili right over the top of this. You could cook this from your pantry with a can of beef broth and your rice from your stock. You could cook it that way. And you can also use leftover chili. I actually cooked mine today. I didn't have any in the freezer like I usually do. But let me go ahead and get that added on top, and then I'll be back with you. All right, so here I've got the chili in the pan on top of that rice, and I'm adding in some Fritos right over the top of it. And I think this is a great casserole just because all of these things you kind of have in your pantry. And it's something that everybody usually likes. So after we put all those Fritos on top, we're going to go ahead and add some cheese over the top of that. And then once you get everything covered in cheese, you'll pop it into the oven and just kind of heat it in there till that cheese melts, and I'll show you how that looks. Now, I wanted to mention, during this collaboration, you're going to see all kinds of casseroles. There's going to be some casseroles like this, some that are for breakfast, just all kinds of good stuff. So make sure you go check the other ones out. They make for a really easy meal, and they make for an easy tray to take to any sort of get-together or barbecue. And here is this one all finished up. Also is great with like green onions and even lettuce on top, kind of like enchilada style, I guess you could say. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the plate. And in the spirit of barbecues, we'll use this little paper plate here. It saves me on dishes to do. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And oh my goodness, what kind of hostess would I be if I didn't give you all a bite? So that is coming. Here it is, plated on a nice plate, and here's your bite. Yum. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until I see you next time, everyone, remember to keep your joy, folks.